Welcome and let's talk about crypto.com Cronos CRO. Yes, CRO have continued to maintain the top 30 crypto coins with the highest market cap, and I think this is a good one for Cronos CRO. But CRO have now lost about 90 cents. Remember, CRO in the late 2021 actually hit about 96 cents. And everybody was talking about CRO hitting $1, and right now CRO have actually dropped till now. This coin is now trading with just 6 cents. That is losing about 90 cents. But one important thing is that CRO still continue to maintain the top 30 crypto coins with the highest market cap, and I believe 2023 CRO is going to really pump. Yes, CRO can hit back to $1 before the end of 2023, because so many people believe that BTC, Bitcoin, the king of crypto industry, is going to really increase. In fact, people believe Bitcoin is going to hit back at its all-time price. Remember, BTC actually hit over $65,000, and right now Bitcoin is trading at $16,000. That simply means BTC have lost about $50,000. Wow. No one believes Bitcoin is really going to drop that far. Imagine someone that bought say 1 or 10 BTC coins when BTC was actually trading at $65,000. That simply means that person must have lost about $50,000. So recovering, gaining that amount back is not going to be easy. But so many people, so many crypto predators believe Bitcoin is going to hit back at that level it was towards the late last year. I mean, over $65,000 to $67,000. So if BTC eventually hit at that level, believe it, other crypto coins will be increasing. Other crypto coins will be increasing in price because Bitcoin is the one controlling every other crypto coin. So definitely, crypto.com also, people believe that we also pump back, we also push its way back to the all-time price of 96 cents. So hitting back at 96 cents simply means this coin must have increased over must have hit about 90 cents, which is if you ask me, that's close to over 1000% increase in price. So definitely buying CRO right now is not bad. Buying and holding this coin, I believe, is going to even be a better option, because this coin definitely is going to increase with the amount of partnership they have been gaining lately. They're also part of the World Cup sponsor, Qatar 2022 sponsor. I think crypto.com is going to really increase in price. So buying and holding this coin now is not really bad. Let's keep hoping. Let's hope to see what will be happening before the end of next year. Let's hope to see that Cronos CRO is definitely going to increase in price. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.